In the quiet margins between motion and stillness, where curiosity meets instinct, we find one of nature's most peculiar courtships, the water-drinking birds. Observe closely. Perched at the edge of a shallow pool, a mated pair performs a ritual as old as their kind. The female, slightly more vivid in tone, leans forward first, her long beak dipping delicately toward the water's surface. A pause, then a gentle bob. The male follows, his movements just a fraction more measured, as if considering each motion before committing to it. Together, they begin their rhythmic dance. Down, pause, rise. Down, pause, rise.
Wake up!
A dance that seems to go on forever as the world around them ceases to exist.